How to find USB settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find USB settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and now scroll down until you find about phone here, and then go to build number and click on it 5 times, and then just go back and go to system and updates. Now all you need to do is just you need to find developer options and click on it. Now scroll down, scroll until you find this one here, USB, and then if you want to enable it to make it default, and then click OK, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find USB settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.